Have you ever thought about the fastest car in the world? Well, today we will talk about the opposite speed. Today we will learn a few facts about our slow friend, the turtle. I want to discuss some wonderful facts about this species. First, we will learn about the average lifespan. Second, we will explore the greatness of their shell. And finally, we will find out what makes a turtle different from a tortoise. Imagine having a pet that outlives its owner. Yes, that could be your turtle. According to Dr. Chen, co-founder of the Turtle Conservation Society of Malaysia, a pet turtle can live up to 80 years old, while longer species can live more than 100 years old. Harriet, a turtle that resided in Australia Zoo, was the oldest turtle. She died at 175 years old and was recognized by the Guinness Book of World Records. However, it is still a mystery of exactly how old turtles get. It is hard to get an actual age because turtles like to isolate. On September 10, 2019, New York Times published an article about a fossil of an extinct sea turtle species that was smashed about 150 million years ago. Imagine keeping track of a species who has evolutionized since the age of dinosaurs. Now that we found out a type of animal that can outlive us, let's explore its shell. Did you know that a creature similar to the turtle millions of years ago did not have a shell? The modern turtle has a unique shell that evolved from an expansive belly bones. Well, according to the Washington Post, June 25, 2015, years before the time of dinosaurs existed, the grandfather turtle was discovered. This turtle had the qualities of the turtle we know today, except it had no shell. Researchers were able to figure out how a turtle's shell evolved from a brief expanse of belly bones about 240 million years ago. They have records of how this species changed over time, but it was until they found a fossil that is about 220 million years old that finally showed a shell. This turtle ancestor had a belly plate called a plastron. This belly plate would eventually enclose the turtle's whole body. The full shell would appear until 6 million years after that. Their home, the shell, gives them protection by allowing them to retract the body into the shell and prevent any injury. However, they are able to feel pain on the shell, just like we feel pain in our nails. The next time we see a turtle, let's be gentle and not tap on it. Now that we know about its beautiful shell, I will tell you what makes a turtle different from a tortoise. The main difference between a turtle and a tortoise is their habitat. A turtle spends most of the time by the ocean or near water, while tortoises exclusively live on land. Some turtles are usually in the water, so they have wet feet, while tortoises do not. They have longer and stronger forelimbs to carry their weight on land. A tortoise has a dome-shaped shell, while a turtle has a thinner shell to navigate in the water. On May 4, 2020, the National Marine Sanctuary Foundation published a fun fact. The 13 families of turtles include tortoises, soft-shell turtles, leatherback sea turtles, snapping turtles, and sea turtles, among others. In fact, all tortoises are technically considered turtles, but not all turtles are tortoises. These are just a few facts about turtles that I hope you enjoyed today. Today, we talked about their lifespan, then talked about their shell, and finally informed you about a few differences between a turtle and a tortoise. Now, let's not forget, we are still walking among disguised dinosaurs.